So we have to tell me.
What I tell you? I have nothing to tell you.
You have nothing to tell me?
No.
So this way doing here as well? Huh? This way doing here as well?
What does I tell you?
Wait, tell me.
What does I tell you?
With what? Wait, tell me with what?
Why tell you?
With what? Wait, tell me with what, Kesha? Because the last thing me talk about, I tell you, your son thief from me, and I going home, and when he go back home, I come back, right? And as I go on, you bring a man in here, right? And then you know the first night he come in here, but you see, I so happens to pass back, and what will happen? What you had to come home here to see? And you think this right? You think this right, girl? This is why I come home here to see, right? This man know you have an infection? Eh? This man know you have an infection, you tell him you have an infection, you're supposed to go by the doctor? So that is why I get my infection, because you're fucking on my head. Right? So that is why I get an infection and I had to be running by doctor. Right? And this is what you're doing.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Now, wanna watch that little clip there. This is Kesha. She live at Trinidad with her boyfriend and her son. So now, our son thief from our boyfriend, and the man say he's leaving because our son is stealing from him and he can't take it anymore. So now he decided to pop back up at the house, and Kesha have a man lay down on the bed, I look on him phone, on him stomach, while she underneath the sheet, and her boyfriend is telling her, listen, no wonder I am getting the infection, the sexual infection, no wonder certain things is going on with my body medically, and this is what you do. And she is just there totally oblivious to it. Yo, I want to watch the rest of the video, and then I am gonna come back and interject. But listen, let me tell you now something. You see, Trinidad, man, this happening everywhere still, you know. But Trinidad is a unique place, put it like that. Now, the guy laying on the bed, he's cool as cucumber to blow out. He have better nerves than me. Let's go.
Right? And it's okay. I tell you, hand me my pillow. And then they just want to talk about man, and man this and man that. But look why, look why I had to come to now, boy. And see a man here. Think this right, girl? And they telling me where you tell me, you tell me we don't know. Eh? You tell me we don't know. Eh? I want to know if you tell me we done.
No, I what kind of question that you might ask Kesha. You know what this remind me of? My brethren with the day in New York, the man come home and see his best friend asleep with them woman, and at the same thing him do, you know, him just step over them and grab him stuff and gone. And so it gone. I learned from the man there. And then he did have another girl. She with one of the youth. I think the youth come from off Jerome Avenue, the top part near Fordham Road and Creston Avenue side, and the youth is a big timer, you know. I drive Benz and them thing there. And you know, say, she cheat on the youth with a youth who ride bicycle. And guess what? Me live to see the youth a tour up on the back of the bicycle, you know. Cause the man with the Benz, the big jug down, him left her. And now she ride on the back of a bicycle, dog. Yo, me don't know.
Leave the kids, please.
I cut the skin, you know.
Well, I go to it if you want.
But try, look at that bad, this is it. And I come back from AC.
Well, okay.
Right? So, let a man pa AC here for you.
Okay.
Then all they just want to talk about people, but all they no good, Kesha. Look what you doing, girl. Look what you doing. You could have get me sick. You could have get me fucking AIDS.
No, when you hear the breeze are blowing at the background, at the AC that, you know, and the man say, yo, make that youth they give you some AC. But look on the man on the bed. The man on the bed, nah, do not need no. The man on the bed just did it with film phone, dog. You understand? With film phone. Yo, B, him have more balls than me, cause me, woulda put on my pants and leg up. You understand? I gone, me gone. And me now go back a Kesha yard, yo. Me now go back a Kesha yard. Jado, it's crazy. Let's watch the end of this.
Everything I have here. You see all them things where you have on top of the bed headache? Give me everything. Where's mine? One time.
What is up on the bed?
Look and you go see it there. Look there, my perfume and all them things there. That is all mine, so I wait.
All these things empty. They empty them.
Check inside that thing there and see what you have inside of that white thing.
They don't have nothing inside. They're concerning you.
My youth, I would tell you, just charge it to the game, yeah, man. You understand? You will find somebody who will be into you for you. You know, a lot of the times I feel women is just like men and men is just like women. Like, you know, people are going to do what they want to do. In this society, we are conformed to do things in a systematic way, meaning that if you have your girlfriend, you have to live with her. If you're married, you have to live with your wife. If not, you're a bad husband or you is a bad wife. And it's just really ridiculous. Now, it just seems like marriage and certain things is just here to please the system, because it doesn't make sense. You're married with somebody and you're unhappy, or you have a girlfriend and you are unhappy and you're just living to please her or living to please him. Girlfriend, boyfriend. So you have to try and strike a balance. That's why me, you know, the only thing I would say I love is money. No, I'm only kidding. I love my kids them. And, you know, my kids them come first. and then everything comes after that. So that's just how I feel. I'm out, countryman.